If you want to get Claude for free, this video will walk you through the simplest way to sign up and start using it right away. Claude is one of the most popular AI assistants available today, and the good news is that Anthropic offers a free plan that gives you access to a lot of powerful features without paying anything up front. So if you want help with chat, writing, coding, file analysis, image analysis, or even web search, you can get started on the free tier in just a few minutes. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. It really helps support the channel and it lets you know when new guides go live. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Claude AI in your web browser. You can search for Claude AI or go directly to the official Claude website. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to sign up. Click sign up to begin the account creation process. Now, you'll be asked to create your free account. Claude lets you sign up using your email address, your Google account, or your Apple account. Choose the option that is easiest for you. If you want the fastest setup, using Google or Apple is usually the simplest because it cuts down on typing and verification steps. If you prefer to use email, that works too. After you complete the sign-up process, you should be taken directly into Claude, and that's the best part. You can start using it immediately. You do not need to wait for a special trial, and you do not need to enter payment details just to begin using the free plan. Once you're inside, you'll notice that the free plan still gives you access to a lot of useful tools. You can use Claude for general chat, brainstorming ideas, writing content, helping with coding questions, analyzing files, reviewing images, and even searching the web, depending on availability and features in your region. That makes the free version very useful for students, creators, professionals, and anyone who wants an AI assistant without paying for a subscription right away. Now, one important thing to understand is that free accounts do have usage limits. If you use Claude heavily, you may eventually hit the free usage limit. When that happens, the best thing to do is wait for it to reset. These limits can vary depending on demand and the size of your conversations, so sometimes you may get more usage and sometimes less. That's completely normal with free AI plans. To get the most out of your free Claude account, there are a few smart habits you should follow. First, start a new chat when you're moving to a new topic. This helps keep your conversations organized and makes Claude more effective. Second, keep your prompts concise and clear. The more direct you are, the easier it is for Claude to understand exactly what you want. Third, avoid uploading large files unless you really need to, because bigger files can use up your free usage faster. And finally, try to keep your conversations shorter when possible so you can stretch your free access further. If you use those tips, you can get a lot more value out of the free plan and avoid hitting limits too quickly. For many users, that's enough to handle everyday tasks without needing to upgrade. So to recap, the process is simple. Open Claude AI, sign up with your email, Google or Apple account, and start using the free plan right away. Then, if you hit the limit, wait for it to reset, and use best practices like shorter chats, concise prompts, and fewer large file uploads to make your free access go further. And that's how to get Claude for free. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.